Easy. Did the snow fall on you? Isabel, come here. Don't get your tummy in the snow. What a good girl. Fonzie. Fonz. They're totally ignoring me. Snow. First big snow. Well, actually the second. Hey, Izzy. What a good girl. It's a ball. Anna, you silly girl, huh? Luke. Lukey. Lukey. There you are. What a good boy. Fonzie, there you are. Fonz. It's windy. I hope we don't lose power. But it's looking like Izzy's gonna wait for Thanksgiving to have the puppies. No signs that she's going into labor yet. It's probably saying, come on, it's quite dark. Fonzie. Good snow, huh? The whole backyard is a big snow cone. Anna, you under the tree? Izzy. Good girl. Isabel. Isabel. There's a good girl. You can't stay out too long. I don't want you to get cold.